how to track your monthly star rewards progress in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your monthly star rewards progress in the Starbucks app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just hit to the scan tab at the bottom, or in some version you can just tap on home. And here you will see a star counter at the top, and this shows your current star balance. Now here you can just tap on the star icon or the rewards banner to view full details, and you will see how many stars you have earned this month and how many more you need to unlock your next reward tier, and what rewards are available at each level, like 25, 100 or 200 stars. And in some version of the app also shows a monthly progress bar or a breakdown of where you have earned stars, like with purchases, bonuses or challenges. Now here you can keep an eye for star challenges in your inbox or notification, and this give you extra stars for completing tasks like ordering certain items or visiting on specific day. And that's it. That's how you can track your monthly star rewards progress. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.